Weekend, mellow mama on the weekend. Ass fat, little shorty be geeking. Shaking ass all night, all weekend. Ayy, she wanna fuck all weekend. Little shorty playing defense. Fucking the fuck for no reason. Send me the money I need it. Money my truck, I be feeling.
Look, if some problems be finished.
Hey guys, so this is an old antique dresser that I got a while ago. So I just want to give it some pizzazz. It's giving me very much boring. So I'm going to go ahead and spice up this dresser for you guys real quick. I already wiped it down really good and cleaned the drawers. So right now I'm just showing you a little bit of what I got. Some traditional white paint, some wallpaper, and these little $4.99 dresser handles from your local Home Depot. And that's the wallpaper. That's a pretty wallpaper. It's like purple and white. So I thought that was so dope. So right now in this clip, I'm just really taking out the taking off the handles to the dresser so that when I paint it, I can just paint right over it and put the new handles right on. So this is really a quick video, not too much. So as I noticed when I was painting, this paint was really sheer. It was your traditional paint. They had it on sale at Home Depot for I think $9.99. So I didn't expect much from it. You get what you pay for, you know. So, but I did notice I had to go through and get it a couple times. So I did about 2 layers of paint. And then also when I finished, after I was done recording, I did another layer because it just looks like you can see the green through it. So I was like, let me give it another layer. So yeah. I am not painting the dresser in its entirety. It just, I thought, was a waste of paint. This is an old antique dresser, so I'm just going to spice up outside and what you can see. And also when you pull out the drawers, you're going to see around the dresser painted, but I'm not going to go in the dresser where the wood at and paint all of that. And I'm also not going to paint the dresser drawers, the inside of the dresser drawers. I'm not going to paint those either. I'm just painting what you see. So at this point, I started drinking. I started getting really tired. I'm like, okay, let me give myself some momentum. So I drank, and I'm like, let me get this finished. And it turned out really great. It turned out really awesome. This wallpaper is so pretty. I ended up getting this wallpaper, excuse my boobs, but I ended up getting this wallpaper for my bathroom. So I will be using the same exact wallpaper in my bathroom because that's what I got it for. But I noticed with this wallpaper, you have to use some sort of debit card, credit card, something like that to really flatten it out because it was really bumpy. I did it about 4 or 5 times because it was just that lumpy. Like, you know, you don't want them bubbles in it because it don't look realistic. It looked like wallpaper if it had bubbles in it. So you're just gonna watch me do this like multiple times over and over. So yeah, but it ended up turning out nice, and it was a really pretty wallpaper. It's like the little details. It was purple and tan and white, and I will get a close-up at the end of this video for you guys so you can see it. Just keep watching. So thank you for watching, guys. This was the final product. I really hope you enjoyed this video. I enjoyed making it. Comment, like, subscribe, please.
By the way you do, let's go. Jersey be the move, let's go. Girl, get into, let's go. I'm sending my love.